Hi guys, so today we are going to solve 18th problem in the May coding challenge on Leetcode. So today the problem statement is the problem title is permutation in string. So we are given two string S1 and S2 and we need to write a function which will return true if S2 contains the permutation of S1. In other words, one of the first strings permutation is the substring of the second string. So this is kind of more or less the same question as we solved yesterday. So today I'm not going to explain you the approach. If you want to see the full approach, then go back and see my previous video. So where I have basically mentioned three approaches: the brute force one, and then the sliding window, but that was not efficient one, and then the most efficient sliding window approach. So if you want to go into details, you can watch that video here. uh, Before I actually start coding this solution, I actually tried the second approach, which actually worked here. So I basically try to like make a counter of the target, and for like in a for loop I try to create the counter, and that answer actually got accepted in today's problem. So you can try that. Anyway, without further delay, so I'm just writing the code today, like no explanation, because I have already explained the solution yesterday. Go check out that video of mine. So yeah, I have written the code which is more or less similar to the yesterday's final code, the approach 3 that we did yesterday. So basically, you first calculate the length of each of the strings, and then you have your target dictionary, right? You are basically then looping through the difference of the length of the strings, and then when you when you are at 0th position in the loop, you basically initialize your sliding window, and then as you are moving or traversing the largest string, you basically like keep decrementing the character from the left and keep appending the character from the right. So this is basically the previous character. I am removing that previous character from the window. If that count of that previous character becomes 0, I simply remove that character from the window, so that like I can compare the window to the target dictionary, and I then pull out the next character, append that character onto my window, and then check for the equality. So if I found the permutation of the target string or S1, then it is true, otherwise it is false. Like I completed my whole loop and I am still not able to find the permutation, which means the permutation does not exist. So I can simply return false when the loop will end. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This also got accepted as usual. So yeah, that's it. It's 95.97% surprisingly. So I tried this like sometime before, it was 84 point something. I don't know, like you cannot predict the lead code this distribution of the submissions. So the same solution sometimes give like 25%. When after some time you submit it, you might get like 50-70%. So it's totally end up like hard to predict. So most of the time you can just stay in peace with this distribution, and just be happy that you are actually following most of the trends, right? So anyway, I'm finishing the video today here because there's nothing to explain here. uh so Anyway, there's a good news that I want to share with you today. So I ordered the pen tablet today. So it I'm I'm hoping it to arrive by like within a week. So it might arrive here by 25th. So from 25th onward, I will be actually explaining the solution by writing through the pen. So I'm pretty much excited about it. Yeah. So yeah, see you in the next video. Keep following and be ready for my bad jokes now. I'm just kidding. N- I don't do bad jokes. I just do sarcasm jokes. And that also like when I watch Friends. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and watch my previous video where I have explained the approaches. Okay, see you next time.